Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Telegram step by step. Whether you want a little privacy or simply don't want others to know when you are online, this tutorial will help you hide your activity without needing any third-party apps. So, let's get started. Telegram by default shows your online status to your contacts and sometimes even to strangers depending on your settings. However, the app gives you full control to manage who can see your last seen and online status. And we were going to use the feature to appear offline and even when you are actively using the app. Now open the Telegram app on your phone, then tap the three line horizontals at the top left corner and tap settings. Now tap on privacy and security. Here, you will see a few options. Click last seen and online. Here, you will see a few options. Everybody, my contacts, and nobody. To pair offline to everyone, select nobody. This will hide both your last seen time and your online status from all users. Now, you'll notice there's a section called Add Exceptions. This is really useful because if you still want a few people to see when you are online, you can add them here. But if you want to remain truly invisible, leave it empty. And here's an important thing to remember. When you hide your status from others, you also won't be able to see their status. It's a two-way rule. After adjusting your settings, tap check mark icon and that's it. You are now appearing offline on Telegram. And that's it. It's super simple. Now you know how to appear offline on Telegram. This way you can keep your privacy intact and use the app without interruptions. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more privacy and Telegram tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.